Hello. In this tutorial, what I'm going to do is show you how to use going to pages for answers as a form of formative assessment in Google Forms. And what I've done is I've created this quiz here on Earth structure, and I want to show you how you can use directing students to pages to help them review as a method of formative assessment to really, in a sense, help them learn. This is best done with a small question or maybe 2 or 3 questions at the end of class, and I'm going to show you how to enable this. So I'm here in editing mode of a Google form for a lesson on Earth structure, and what I've done is I have just a section header here, and then I have the first question here, which is called what is the name of the system that is made up of plants and animals. Now this is the biosphere. What I'm going to do is if the student gets an answer other than biosphere, I'm going to direct them to a certain page. And the certain page here is this one right here. So the section, or not page, but a section. So for example, section 3 of 4 here has a little bit of information differentiating what the geosphere and the biosphere is. So anyways, if the student gets that wrong, I want them to come here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my question. In the lower right hand corner there's these little 3 dots, and I'm going to click here and I'm going to say go to section based on answer. So if they select biosphere, which is correct, basically what they're going to do is they're going to go to section 2. However, if they don't get that correct, so if they have any of the other ones, they're going to do section 3. And I'm going to select that for here as well, and also for here as well. So I've done that already, and I've actually done that with some of the other questions as well. So we see here when I click on this question here, if they get this wrong, in this case it's asking the students to interpret what's happening in this picture, and if they get this correct, it'll bring them to the submit forum page. But if they don't, it'll take them also down to some further review material right here. So now that I've done that, let's take a look at it and see what it looks like in real time, just so you can see what it looks like. So student name is student, and it says what's the name of the system is made up of plants and animals, and biosphere is the correct answer. But what happens if they select atmosphere? Well, it takes them not there, but it says oh to this new prompt. So they go back, and then after that they would go clarify this and say oh it must be biosphere, and then go next. So brings them then to the lesson 2. Same thing, this is a correct answer here, but what if they click this answer here and they go next? It's going to say, oh, sorry, go back and review again. So the students will go back. And so they're actually going to go select the correct answer, which is this here, and then go next. And if everything looks good, bring them to a submit copy. So this, as I said, is best done as a formative assessment, really for students to help clarify and clear up misunderstandings, rather than like a summative assessment where you might be grading with, like, for example, an add-on like Superquiz or Flubaroo. But it's a good way of automating feedback for students and helping teaching and learning in your classroom. So hope you enjoy this and have a great day.